Welcome to another video of Rich Roots. Today in this video we are here to share few information regarding BRP that is expiring by end of December 2024. We came to know about few incidents where the transit of UK immigrants were blocked in certain countries, especially while they're flying back from their home country to the UK. And this happened mainly because their BRP is not valid for more than 6 months or it is expiring by end of 2024. If you are new here, I'm Anita and we are a travel couple who love to create videos. If you have been here before, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Most of you might have came to know that by end of 2024, our physical BRP is expiring and it's gonna be replaced by e-visa. Even if you have a visa that extends beyond 2024, you still have to apply for an e-visa since your BRP is expiring. Some of you might have received an email from UKVI requesting to convert your BRP to e-visa. And if you haven't received an email yet, don't worry, there are people who haven't received the email. And I am one among them. And I'm going to apply it now and I'll explain each step in detail. So let's get started. I'm starting with an email my husband received from UKVI requesting to apply for e-visa. And the mail itself is providing you all the details like how it to be done and every steps that need to be done for the application process. If you haven't received an email, watch this video towards the end and I'll take you through the whole process. Open any browser and search for UK e-visa and click on the first link, which will direct you to a page, get access to your e-visa. So they are asking to create a UKVI account. So make sure you have your BRP card, mobile phone and email address you have direct access to. And I'm starting now. Have you ever had a biometric residence permit? I do have, so I'm going for yes. Do you still have a biometric residence permit card? Yes. Is your biometric residence permit valid? Yes, it is. Now they're asking to create a UKVI account. So for that, you need your date of birth, BRP or your passport. Who are you creating this account for? I'm doing for myself. I'm going for me and continue. They're asking for your name, your first name and your surname. Continue with that. What is your country of nationality? I'm from India and I'm typing that. Which identity document you're using? I'm using my BRP. And continue. Enter your biometric residence permit details. So it will be on the top of your BRP card and include your expiry date. And then continue. What's your date of birth? They're asking for email address that you want to sign into your account. Make sure you use the email address that you have direct access to. So they'll be sending a security code to your email address. And then continue with that. The phone number you want to use when you sign into your account. I've given my active phone number. So they might have sent a 6-digit security code to your mobile number. I'm checking for that. And continue with that. Do you want someone else to access to your account? I actually don't want anybody to access my account, so I'm going for no. So you have to check your answers before you create your own account, your identity document, account security, all those details you have given. And I have checked that I'm creating my account now. Yeah, now you have created your UKVI account. You can sign into it. They'll be asking the identity document you use to create your account. I use my BRP. I continue with that. What is your biometric residence card or permit number? It will be on your BRP card. Just enter that and continue. And your date of birth. How do you want to receive your security code? I want it via my email. They might have sent a 6-digit security code to your email. Now you have to start with your e-visa, link your e-visa with your account. I'm going to start with. So I'm going on to the second step, like link your e-visa to your account. And before you begin with, you have to confirm your identity first. You need to confirm your identity like before you start with. You can scan your document within any smartphone. Do you have access? Now you have to download the app. So now I'm installing my UK Immigration ID Check app in my mobile phone. It takes a while to get downloaded. So let's wait for that. If you're enjoying our content, please do hit the subscribe button and support us. Yeah, now it's downloaded and let's continue with that. So now it's asking to scan your QR code. Let's scan that. So after you scan the QR code, it will just connect into your app. So before you start, it will be just asking for your 6-digit code. So I'm just entering my 6-digit code that's sent to my mobile number. So it will just connect to your app. Before starting the app, it will just give you some information that need to be done. So now they'll ask you to scan the both sides of BRP card. So I'm gonna scan it. So once you scan your BRP card, the next thing is to access the chip on your card. So for that, just hold your card behind your phone. Make sure you keep it still. Just make sure your NFC is turned on before you try to access the chip on your card. Yeah, once it's done, your chip will be connected. The next step is to scan your face, and they have given few instructions before you scan your face, and make sure you follow that. And I'm gonna scan my face now. Yeah, so now the face scan is completed and it's getting ready. The next thing is to take the photo. Yeah, you have to take the photo of your face and upload it. Make sure you follow all the instructions given there. So I have uploaded my photo and I'm gonna submit all the details. And they'll just ask you to go back to your UKVI account. Now they'll ask you to sign in back into your UKVI account. And make sure you follow all the instructions given there. So I'm signing back into my UKVI account. So once you reach your form, the next thing you need to link your visa to your account is confirm your BRP or application number. So the identity information is already submitted. So I'll just continue from that. And the next thing will be the your location. Are you in UK now? Yes, I am. And I'll just continue. And the next thing is your contact preferences. I'll just provide my email address and mobile number. So check all the answers before you continue. And the next step is account security. There are a few account security questions, like 3 sets of them. You can select anyone among them, and I'm selecting a few, and I'm providing few answers in it. And before you submit, you can check all your answers you have given and continue. And the next thing is to do a declaration. So just read all of them, and I'm a person submitting information and I am aged 18 or over. So I'll just confirm that. So, and the final thing is to submit your form. So you will be receiving an email of confirmation of your submission of your e-visa to your email, and it might take like 10 minutes or maybe 1 hour. Yeah, anyway, I got my e-visa within 10 minutes and that's it, all done. If you need any clarification about this video, please do comment below. And if you find this video helpful, please do hit the subscribe button and support us. Thank you for watching, and it's Anita signing off.